Hey, it's Grands from Grands Amp. Today I've got a keyboard with a couple of damaged controls. This keyboard was moved without taking care as to what was resting against it, stacked on top of it, etc. I've seen this happen with amps as well, where the pots get damaged in transit or in storage. Now, I'm not really screwed here, but I did have quite a few screws to remove just to get the back off of this device and then to get the boards freed up to where I could get to those damaged controls. You'll see there were a lot of screws holding this thing together. After getting in there and doing some documenting of where things were, I was able to remove the reverb pot, which wasn't working at all, and the stereo volume pot, which was working intermittently. Thanks to the folks at Cintar, I was able to get replacement parts. They're a great resource for you if you need parts for a synth or a keyboard. You'll see here, after documenting a few things, I was able to reassemble after soldering in the new parts, do some quick testing, and then this keyboard was ready to rock. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.